So you have a hair clip. One hair clip, right? Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we have the infamous Sephora Advent Calendar. This is for the holiday of 2020. Now, I have been doing this for the past few years. I will leave them down below, and they have been total fails. So, why on earth did I want to pay $45 for another one? I don't know, I'm a little crazy. So, if you want to see if this is any better than last year, was it worth the $45? Then keep on watching. Alright, so this is the Sephora Advent Calendar. I did pay $45. I bought this when it first came out, so I had this for a couple weeks. And as you can see, I have not opened it. But if you don't know, I moved and I'm still unpacking and, you know, all that stuff. So I'm behind a lot of videos. But I cannot wait to open up this bad boy to see how it is. So let's just get right into it. Let me show you one more time. That's what she looks like. So it says Sephora Wild Wishes. And Sephora, Ulta, a lot of stores usually have advent calendars around this time. All right, let's see how we open this up. I think this just slides right on out. Let's see. All right, so this just slides off, and then that's what she looks like. And when you open her up, there you go. So let's get the full effect right here. So if you don't know what advent calendars are, usually start like December 1st, and they either have usually the 12 days or 24 days. I believe this is 24 days. Let's see. Yeah, and so then you would just go December 1st, you open one up, then December 2nd, you open it up, and so forth. And usually the last day is the best thing. So let's just get started. All right, this is pretty big, so let's see how I can do it. All right, so where's number one? So right here is number one. All right, I'm just going to fold this back here somehow. I wish it was like this. Okay, so let's take out the first thing. All right, so the first thing we have is from the Sephora brand, and this is an eyeliner. Now, my thing is, since it is the Sephora brand, I wish they would do like a full size, but I'm not going to swatch it. The Sephora eyeliners are pretty creamy, and I do like them, but I have enough black eyeliner, so I will probably just give that to somebody. All right, move it on. Where's number two? I just noticed there are some over here and over there. Okay, so let's see. Number two is this little thing right here. So you have a hair clip. One hair clip, right? One. This is a $45 one, but let's just continue. Maybe it gets better as time goes on. All right, as the days go on. Here is number three. All right, and this is from Sephora. This is an exfoliating scrub. So I do like these exfoliators, so I will definitely use that. All right, number four. Where you be? Right here. All right, and so this is, looks like an eyeshadow over here, a gold color eyeshadow in the shade Colorful. All right, number five over here. Number five. So we have, what do you call it? Bath bombs. All right. I don't know how I feel about that, but I won't knock it. Number six, right here. Hopefully it's a mascara. Is it? No. This is an eye mask. So it's cucumber eye mask. Okay. Number 7.
Where you at? Where are you?
I just realized what I did because I can't see. Number 7 I already opened. I thought that said number 1. This is number 1. So I already opened up, what was it? Oh, the eyeliner was number 7. So let's open up number 1, what I should have opened up first. Maybe I should have had my glasses on. So we have a nail polish for number 1. All right, let's go to number 8 is right here. And it looks like we have a moisturizer. These are all sample sizes, but let's go on number 9. Where you be? Okay. Number 9 is right there. Oh my God, I'm having a horrible time. All right, so we have another nail polish. All right, number 10, right here. All right, and these are nail polish remover wipes. Guys, this is $45. All right, number 11. Right here. And we have a nice mirror. It's all right. It's a little small, but I'll keep it on my desk. All right. Number 12 is right here. And I think this is a nose strip. Is it? Yeah, the charcoal nose strip. All right. Number 13 is right there. Another bath bomb. It's like a fizzy thing. All right. Number 14. All right. What do we have here? This is cleansing water. Oh, I dropped that. I will pick that up later. Okay. What number was I at? I think we were going on number 14. No, number 5. No, what number were we at? Okay, number 15 is right there. And this is a body wash. Number 16 is right there. And another, this is a lip mask. Number 17. Okay, so I don't know if this is a lipstick or a lip balm. Oh, and it's a very pretty lipstick color. I really like that a lot. I'll definitely use this. It's number 36. All right, number 18, where you be? Okay, over on this side is right here. So we have a hair tie. Number 19. This is really bad. This is probably as bad as the other ones. I mean, I hope number 24 is... What? So we have another body wash. All right, number 20. We're almost done. Hopefully we'll get at least one full size. Oh, well, I guess the lipstick must be considered. All right, we have another one here. All right, and that looks like the lip balm. Coconut lip balm. All right, so that was 20. So 21, we're almost done. Here is 21. I don't think I'm going to get this anymore. I know I've been very negative, but this is horrible. You guys, for $45. So then we have a nail filer. 22. Another. So this is a pineapple nose mask. All right. 23. We have 2 more left. Please let it be good. Please let it be good. What? Another hair tie. All right, so 24. Typically, the last one are usually the best. Cross your fingers. Let's see. And we have a full-size Sephora liquid lipstick. And that is everything in the advent calendar. So let's recap kind of like what we got. We got 2 hair ties. We have 2 nail polishes. They're pretty colors, but we have a lipstick and a lip balm. We have a lipstick. We have an eyeliner, a nail filer, 2 body washes, nail polish remover, 1 hair clip. We have a few of these, like a nose one, an eye one, a face one. We have these fizzy things for $45. If this was a $20 advent calendar, then I would say, okay, this is really worth it. But for $45, I just don't think this is worth $45. Usually the advent calendars, they usually do bad, and by like maybe December, they go half price. And that's what I should have waited for. But I wanted to try again and thought, oh yeah, and I forgot we got the mirror. I thought, you know, maybe there are so many people criticize it so much, they would do a little bit better. I don't know. I mean, my favorite things are, I do really like these Sephora lipsticks. They're very comfortable. I do like the lip balm. These are probably my favorite things, but let me know down below. Do you think it was worth $45? Am I overreacting? If I'm overreacting, then read me to filth down in the comment section. And I think I'm done with buying Sephora advent calendars. I said that last year. I know, but I just love advent calendars, so I don't know. Let me know down below if there's any advent calendars that you guys want me to try. Let me know down below. And that is everything, guys. If you enjoy advent calendars, please give this a like. If you feel sorry for me for wasting my $45, give this video a like. If this advent calendar was bad in your opinion, give this video a like. Let me know down below. Alright guys, that is everything. If you like advent calendar unboxings, subscription boxes, hauls, mystery boxes, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell on and make sure that you double tap it and it is on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I do have a giveaway going on right now. It is in the Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October. I will leave that video down below. Hopefully my boxy charms, they've been shipped. I should get that any day now. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. God, you think I would learn my lesson? No, I don't.